It's truffle time. Okay. Look at that beautiful dragon fruit powder. And then the blue butterfly pea powder is kind of like a purplish. And then we got the 2 bowls of that ganache-like thing. And I had it in the fridge for about an hour. And it's definitely ready to roll. I have this little spoon. She was using a melon ball thingy, but we're just gonna basically roll with that. Wow, that's actually quite a bit to work with. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh, there he is. You see his tail. Hey buddy, you wanna say hi? Oh, there he is. Hi, pretty boy. Yeah, let them see your face, cute boys. He's so beautiful. Almost 9 years old. Give mommy a kiss? Did you give mommy a kiss, Baba? Go give mommy a kiss? Oh, I love you. I love you. Big friend. I love my big friend. He is the sweetest boy. Had him since he was 6 weeks old. Close and personal. They are so vibrant and pretty, huh? Of course, having a really beautiful plate helps as well. Let us do the tasting. Of course, I'm only gonna have a nibble because I think it's like almost 11 o'clock, okay? Crazy. So here's some little extra ones. Taste test. Mmm. Mmm. I mean, they're melted right now. But if they were refrigerated, pretty much perfect. The cacao is a little, not grainy. Oh, there's some dryness in there. So I don't know what would combat that, but you know, it might just be that if it was refrigerated, it would be a lot better. But this actually concludes all of the recipes, all of the basic recipes. There's quite a few more, but in order to get certified, these are the basic recipes, and then I have to do one of my own creation. So that's next. And it will likely be the final video in this series of getting certified as a raw pastry chef. So hope you've enjoyed these. They are messy, but fun to make, fun to eat, but pretty simple to make, as you saw. So bye.